Hey, it's your Wisconsin wine guy, and I am back. And I just made this supper for myself this evening, and I thought it'd be a great opportunity to do a little bit of wine and food pairing for you. So here's the dish: bread, toasted bread, a French boule or French loaf. I have spicy chicken sausage braised in a tomato sauce with mixed greens, bitter greens, potatoes, garlic, and onion, and spices. So it has some heat to it. Now, I have a white wine and a red wine that I'm pairing tonight. So we're doing a Chardonnay and a Cabernet tonight. Just a simple, everyday drinking type of Chardonnay and Cabernet. And the Chardonnay is as lightly oaked as is the red wine. So you heard the ingredients: tomato base, a spicy chicken sausage, mozzarella cheese. I mentioned mozzarella cheese, garlic, onion, and again, it's tomato base with potatoes and bitter greens. So, what do you think will go with this dish? Any suggestions? Well, I'm going to give it a taste, and then I'll let you know. Let's see if we get a taste of everything here. So, we get some potatoes, a little bit of meat. Now, first, I'm going to taste the white. This is nicely chilled. Mm, Okay, and now the red. Mm. Now, here's my assessment. The white, because it has a nice chill to it, nice fruit, crisp. I think it goes great with the tomato. Believe it or not, most people, when they think about having tomato, they go the Italian way and they want to have red wine or a Chianti or something. I myself like to choose a white wine, fruit and fruit, acidity, acidity. So I thought the white did a great job with this, with the mixture of flavors, and that coolness and fruitiness cooled down some of the spice. The red, because the dish is in fact a savory dish, I thought the red did a good job of just bringing it all together and just made it even more savory, even with the wine. So my vote, why not have them both? Don't limit yourself. So if you ever have the opportunity to have a dish, create a dish, and then be able to drink both the white and red, conduct your own test and find out which wine, red or white, goes best with your dish. So it's your Wisconsin wine guy saying, as always, let your palate be the guide when selecting your wine and selecting your wine with your food. And I'll see you next time with the next Q&A. Ciao. Bye.